The way to my heart is to put a mirror in an eyeshadow palette. To you, from you. Yes, it is. I bought this myself. What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and we talk about a lot of things here. Mostly makeup and skincare, sometimes weird stuff that's happening in the world, and I almost always drop something. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and leave me a comment down below. Today we are doing an unboxing. Haven't done one of these in a little while. I'm really excited. Recently, IPSY and BoxyCharm have become one. I always really liked BoxyCharm, so I decided to go with that box from IPSY. I did also order some add-ons, which we will open up after. I'm pretty pumped. So this is the June box. It's the old one, but I really wanted to open it anyways because I really want to see what it's like now that they have combined. So it's IPSY, to you, from you. Yes, it is. I bought this myself. Let's just dive in. I want to see, is it better? Is it worse? You know, the last few BoxyCharms I had, I was not impressed with them at all. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is, this is from Half Caked. This is the double dipped color duo. Well, that looks fucking fun. Yeah, like that. It's rainbows. It was June. It was Pride Month. Yeah, fuck yeah. If you did. Okay, double dipper. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's open it. I've not tried anything from this brand before. Let's do the reveal together. Ooh, so it's a nice pretty blush. Ooh, that's nice. And a highlight. Oh, okay. Let's swatch these. Oh, that's really nice. That highlight might be a little too dark for me, but that's okay. All right, so not bad, not bad. Cute brushes. Okay, so these are from Farrah, which I do enjoy brushes from Farrah. I used one of their brushes for my eyes today. All right, so we have a contour brush. I'm sure it'll be okay. And then we have a big fluffy, ooh, I like that. I like the shape of that. I do not have any brushes shaped like this. You are going to be a winner. That makes me happy. Some brushes. Can't go wrong with brushes. If I get a box where I have brushes, I'm usually pretty happy. This is the Doll Paint Black and Brown Gel Eyeliner Duo Kit from Toy Factory. Well, that sounds cool. Oh, so there's two in here. That's cool. That's a pretty good deal. And these are gel liners. So you know what? I'm not actually going to open these up. I think what I might do is I might keep one and put one into the giveaway that is coming up. If you haven't already, please check out my giveaway. It is still active until July 26th. I want to say, let me know that you want to enter and let me know. Yeah, watch that video and it will tell you the instructions. So this is a possibility that I could end up giving this away. You never know. You never know. All right, and then we have this Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Stem Cellular Resurfacing Micro Exfoliant. I love a good micro exfoliant. Formulated with organic ingredients. Yeah, that's going to be fun. I did have a serum from them. I think it was like a retinol serum. I did not have any issues with it. Came sealed, perfect. It's a full-size item. Not complaining at all. And then last but not least, we have this from Il Makiage. I have tried, this is the brand that they have the foundation. Oh, that's freaking nice. They have the foundation that they send you to try, and if you don't like it, they'll refund you. I have tried it. It's friggin' good. So this is an eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow quad. This is the Color Boss Squad, multi-dimensional eye color quad. This is nice packaging. Oh, those are pretty. Do I want to keep you? I'm not going to touch this because I'm not sure. This could end up in a giveaway at some point. It's really nice though. It's really heavy. Nice. I like that. As far as the box goes, I'm not really complaining. I'm also not very wowed. There's nothing in here that I'm like, fuck yeah. Nothing. So that's I'm going to give you a 3 out of 5 stars for the rest of it that I bought. I forget what I bought, so I'm pretty excited about this part. So the first thing I ordered is these little patch from Merci Handy. They look cute. I think I only paid like $3 for these. You can never have too many pimple patches. Ooh, Moon Dew. Oh, so this is an eye cream. I forgot I ordered this. So this is from Herbivore. This is the Moon Dew. It is an eye cream. Oh, that's really nice little packaging. It's a glass jar. I'm running kind of low on eye cream, so I knew I was going to need one soon. So that is definitely a keeper. Ooh, and then I did also grab this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I've never tried this before. This is the clear. I think this one was like only like $3 to $5. It wasn't. I actually was eyeing this in the drugstore the other day, so I was glad when I saw it. I definitely got it. It's full size. This Origins Out of Trouble 10-minute mask to rescue problem skin. I can always use a good clay mask, and Origins is a good brand. So I don't even remember ordering that. Some of these are add-ons and some of these are things from that I didn't add on. I have no idea what is the actual box. As I'm looking into this, I'm like, I didn't buy that. It is part of my box. So let me clarify. This is a second box that we're opening plus add-ons. So this must be July and. Pick this one up. This one, I don't think I picked this. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their satin lipstick in the shade Praline. This is possible I might have bought that. I feel like it might have been on sale. That's a fucking pretty color. I hope I picked that. I'll definitely be trying that. This I most definitely did not pick up on my own. This must be part of the regular box. This is the Lucky Chick Lucky Days. Oh, lip and cheek multi-stick. Ooh, fancy. That's pretty pink. I'm really happy with everything I've got so far. This, I think I might have put on myself. I think I might have picked this up. This is the Shayna B Cream Bronzer in Beach Babe. Ooh, pretty. We're just gonna, I can't wait to try this stuff. That's it right there. And then we have this Keys Soul Care Protect Your Light Daily Moisturizer Broad Spectrum with SPF 30 sunscreen. I have tried a toner from this brand before that I was sent for review from Topbox, and I really, really liked it. So hopefully I will like this as well. I'm pretty sure this is Alicia Keys' brand. That's awesome. You can never have too many moisturizers, and I don't have enough right now. And then I also have this serum from Earth Harbor, Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule with spirulina and blue tansy. I love blue tansy. Love blue tansy. This I don't think I picked. I'm pretty sure this came. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh, I love blue tansy. Oh, that smells heavenly. I can't wait to use you. I'm so excited. I have a couple of these. I actually have one or two from this brand, and I'm really excited because I really do like them. These two brands actually are winners in my opinion. This is how I realized that some of this was the box. We have the Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette from Ciate London. What? That's a friggin' huge palette, and I love eyeshadows from Ciate London. I have the women's palette that I really, really like. I have a palette that I'm actually giving away, a small one. So make sure you check out my giveaway. Oh, that's really nice. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, those are pretty. Look at that stunner. Oh, I'm really excited. I'm really excited to use this. This looks like it will be right up my alley. These two shades, right? Like these shades here, these two, and like this one, those are for me. My eyeshadow today. Anything rosy, mauve type. This is really nice. I'm really happy. And it has a mirror. We all know the way to my heart is to put a mirror in an eyeshadow palette. All right. So please let me know if you have any of these products. Do you like any of these products? Were there any of them that you were maybe thinking about picking up? And do you have the new IPSY subscription? Now, thank you so much, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye for now.